Hey guys, Scrappy K Sue. Okay, I've got another Destash, but this is going to be an old Destash, and I'm going to go over it again. This is a Christmas Destash. It's got several things in here: ribbons, stamps, stickers, just a bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna show it to you again, so that if you want it, you can let me know in the comments below, because I'm gonna turn off the other video because it's so far back. I'm assuming people are not seeing it. And I had this Destash a long time ago, and I was surprised that I still have it since it's Christmas and all, and it was I thought a pretty good price. But let me just let you see what's in here. I have 2 of these chipboards. These are like really old, but you can use them for doing cards or layouts or something. I also have some of the stickers. These are from, I think these are from Hobby Lobby. Some green trees, and then these are Hobby Lobby as well, I think. These may be Dollar Tree, I don't know. Okay. I got a couple of stamps here. This one is Winter Borders. This Inkadinka-Doo. These are real cute. Clear stamps. This one here is Cool Christmas. It's got some Boydies on there. Got another sticker. Here it's a big snowflake. Here is a Close to My Heart stamp. Like coloring on there. I don't really know why some stamps do it and some don't, and you see half of it's not doing it and half is not, but it doesn't hurt the stamp at all. It's still fine. And this one, you can see it's been used. These are you know what that is. Alright, and here's some, it's not washi tape, it's me and my big idea is just tape. It's kind of like washi, but it's not washi, it's just regular tape. I put in some ribbons. Here's some silver. And this one. And this one. And some snowflakes. These are the hard plastic ones. You can color these, paint them, I'm assuming. I don't know how you paint on plastic though. It may, or I don't know. I've never painted plastic that I can remember. But you can always try different things with it. Here's another stamp. This is a With a Joy stamp. Put it up closer. Here's another one, a mouse with a little candy cane. And these are just, you have to put that stuff on the back of it. Here's a die. This is a Spellbinder die. This is what it looks like when it's cut out. Okay. There's some hat stickers. Here are some journaling little pages. There's several to each style, like that. And there's this style, and then this one, and then that one. Okay, none of these have been used. And then here are some rub-ons, Christmas rub-ons. It's got different things to it. Some more sentiments. B's and C's. Okay. Alright, here's another stamp set. These are cute, these little deer. These are the paper, well, I don't know what the name of this. Don't know. It's TPC, but I don't know what that stands for. These are cute. These are the rubber ones, rubber stamps. Here's another thing of stamps. This one, these are the clear stamps. I've left them in this case. They kind of stick together. On some of my other ones, I put a little acetate thing in between them. On this particular one, oh yeah, that's what I did here. Okay, yeah, there's another piece of acetate on here. So you can look at that. Oh, you can't even see that. Hang on a second. Let's do this one first. And then that one. Okay. And here's another stamp, Dove stamp. And some bling. Here is a Cherry Lynn snowflake die. This is what it looks like. And I put in here some little wooden, the tree is wooden. There's 3 of them. Hang on a second, wait. There's 2 of them. This is what those say. The joy, love, peace, happy. You can color these, paint them. Same thing with these. These are just chipboard. There's a snowman. I've got 2 of those. And 2 of the deer. And 2 snowflakes. And that's it. I had the price at $35 shipped, but I'm going to go down to $30 shipped. So if you're interested, let me know. And it's going to be PayPal only, friends and family, and US shipping only. And if you have any questions about anything, just let me know. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.